Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up Bombay and Cedar. Oops, I totally just posed for a thumbnail with it upside down, but that's okay. Oh, and there's Emmy, my little box helper. You gonna help me unbox today, Booba? So Bombay and Cedar is a lifestyle subscription. They have both a monthly and a seasonal subscription. I opened the winter one recently. I'm not sure what this is, to be honest. I haven't opened it. I'm thinking it is the monthly subscription though. This was kindly sent to me free for review, not sponsored. I haven't gotten this in a while until last month and I really loved it. I actually featured one of the products I got last month in my favorites video, which I posted yesterday. If you guys want to check that out if you missed it, that was just yesterday's video, but I will link it down below just in case you're watching this at a later time or whatever. But anyways, hi guys, welcome back or welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes and cats, and I open them every single day here. Boxes, that is. Sometimes Emmy's with me. She's been making a lot of appearances lately, but anyway, I open boxes every day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so I hope you consider subscribing and sticking around before you go. But let's get back to the box. Let's see what's inside. Of course, I will link Bombay and Cedar down below. It's heavy. Let's see what we got. So, let's take a... Yep, it's the January box, actually. Yeah, okay, now it's kind of coming back to me. I opened... Yeah, that seems like they're a month behind. I was trying to remember when I last opened it. It was like a month ago. So, everything is wrapped up nicely. What is so heavy in here? I remember the last box being heavy, too. Oh, yes, there's a snack. I'm hungry. It's like 3 p.m. and this is about when I have lunch usually. So, you can kind of see a snack on top. So, on this little handout thing here, it'll talk about all the items inside. And in each of the monthly subscriptions, you do get some essential oils. And there's some variation in the oils as well as in the products. It looks like everyone receives 3 items. But then the rest is a variation. There's 8 items total. So let's start off with that snack because that's what I saw first. Uglies. Uglies kettle chips sea salt. Ooh, I love kettle chips. It says it's okay to be a little rough around the edges. Oh yeah. That's funny. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. Trying to eat this and a salad. Should we have a beet salad with goat cheese? Yes. And then... Oh, cool. By NIMBY. Yes, NIMBY. The 20 count of compressed cleaning towels removes 99.9% of germs, and there's 0 plastic chemicals. Cool. It's like kind of interesting. The more spiritual I get, the more like clean I get, because I like respect my place more, which is like super awesome. So I do like to wipe down like my surfaces every day, which I guess is like a normal thing to do anyways. But point being, I am happy to get this. Should we take a look inside and see if we can... Oh, look, they're little tablets that turn into wipes when you wet them. That's super cool. Things are getting so awesome these days. And it's in a cardboard little tube, so definitely eco-friendly. Did I mention this in the beginning? I think I said cruelty-free, but yeah, it's cruelty-free, eco-conscious subscription. And then, cool. This is what's so heavy and awesome. This is by Onsuri, Onsuri, I believe. Onsuri. Extra virgin olive oil. Sensory collection of artisan blend of cultivars. Huh. Cool. So this is olive oil from Jordan. And it looks really cool too. Keep on the counter, because usually I put my oils and everything in the cabinet. But this is awesome. I feel like everyone uses olive oil. Oh my god, I want olives now too. Ever since I went to Spain, I love olives. I can't get enough. It's not like I didn't like them really before, but I love olives. Yum. So awesome. Happy of this. This is huge too. Yay, that's what she said. And then next up, ooh, what is this? You want some bubble wrap to play with? This smells good. Oh, do you hear that? This is NCLA Beauty Pink Champagne All Natural Lip Treatment Duo for softer Kiss Me lips. Oh, this is such a cute container. It comes with a lip scrub, lip balm, and lip scrubber. How cute is this? It smells good too, unless I'm smelling something else in the box. But I love that. Pink champagne. Cheers to gorgeous lips. My lips have been dry. Oh, so here's a little scrubber that's shaped like lips. So cute. And then inside we have the lip balm. It says Balm Babe. And then, if I can get it out and show you, hold on. And then we have the Sugar Sugar Lip Scrub. How cute is this? This would make a really good gift. Like this little trio here and this it smells so good, you guys, and it's just so cute. This is another thing I would like to keep on my vanity, and I love it says Cheers Gorgeous Lips. Love this. I love the stuff you get in this box. Oh yeah, I think there's a book or something with this on the bottom. So let's look at our oils next. So they make their own oils, they believe, right? Yeah, Bombay Cedar. And it comes with little sheets too, which is nice to see like what they blend well with, what the uses are of the oils. I think there's some safety issues on there. Precautions on there as well. So we have Scotch Pine and Sweet Orange. And this is what they look like. Oh my god, ignore my nails, please. I was gonna take my nail polish off before I filmed and I forgot. Okay, next. Oh my god, really, there's so many things in here. Mood of the Day Natural Soap Bar. Relaxed lavender and chamomile, natural, vegan, biodegradable. And that's a purr on the side. Oh, nice. It has a light scent, relax. So this is like a long bar of soap. Instead of like a square little one, we've got a long bar of soap. I've never had one like this. Awesome. Smells nice too. And then, looks like we have two things here from Tooth Buckle. Oh, cool. A toothbrush cover with low impact on the environment. And then we also got a toothbrush. That's awesome. So it's specialized silver particles reduce bacterial growth in between brushes, used daily when traveling. Feel the difference with a luxury soft touch, no plastic, fully recyclable and long lasting and dishwasher safe for your oral health protection. Cool. Let's look at it. It's orange. I love colors. Yay. So it's like a silicone, is that what it said? That's so interesting. And then here's the toothbrush. I don't want to open it yet because I literally just opened a new toothbrush. I'm sure it'd be fine if I put it in here, but it's just a toothbrush, but it looks like it has like a blue handle. That's cool. But I just opened one. It actually was blue the other day. And then last but not least, looks like I love stuff like this. Oh my god, how cool. I literally said this earlier, the new moon is in 2 days from the day I'm filming this, and I was looking at my vision board. I'm like, I need to update my vision board. That was literally like a half hour ago, and this is #futureboards. Learn how to create a vision board to get exactly the life you want. I swear you guys, things like this happen to me all the time. Like I think something and then all of a sudden I get something to help me. A step-by-step guide to manifesting your dream life. Can this be like anywhere up my alley if you guys know me? Like, oh my god, this is awesome. And I love types of books like this, so I cannot make this up. You guys, I wouldn't lie to you anyways, but I literally was just saying how I'm going to update my vision board within the next 2 days, and I got a freaking book to help guide me, and manifestation is my thing right now. Okay, so that's everything in the box, and we ended on a high note. I think this is my favorite item because this is like my thing, like I just freaking said, but I love every single thing that's in here. This and the wipes probably are like the ones I'll use most. Oh, the treat. Yeah, I love every single thing. I really like this box, you guys. I know they're delayed. Maybe, I don't know if it's because I get this as like a influencer or whatever to unbox, but I think it was really great. You guys have to let me know your thoughts down below. Sorry, my Snapchat keeps going off. I always forget to silence my phone, and it always goes off when I film, making me seem so much more popular than I am, but whatever. I won't even say anything more about that, but you guys, thanks again for being here, and again, I hope you consider subscribing if you haven't already, so that means I will see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, I love you guys so much, I'm really so grateful for you, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye!